That was yummy.
My chest is falling asleep, actually. Do you mind, getting all the way off the couch?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, yeah. Oh. Oh, it's better, huh?
Are you starving? I'm starving. You know what I'm craving? Actually, I'm craving microwave s'mores. Is that just me?
I don't know. I've never had that kind of food.
I like taking care of you.
Hey, Chantal, do you mind doing me a favor? Can you just hang out in here for a second while I go do something?
Yeah. Where are your graham crackers?
Maybe I'm out, or maybe they're in the cupboard or something, but if you could just stay in the kitchen and don't make a sound.
Okay.
Okay. Hi.
Hey.
What is it?
Can we just talk for a second?
Yeah, I don't really think that's such a good idea, Dory.
Wait, do you have a girl in here with you?
No. No, I don't.
All right. I've just been feeling emotionally just kind of like all over the place right now, so it would just be really helpful if we could just talk for like 1 second.
Yeah, well, maybe you should just go get a bite to eat, and then you'll feel better.
Hey, what is going on? I know things are really weird between us right now, but like, this is bigger than us, Drew.
You know what? We don't do this anymore.
Why do you have this?